Good morning. It is Monday, November 13th, and I'm Mr. Burns, bringing you the 12th biology launch of the year. I hope everything's going well with everyone so far. I'm still getting lots of work in, and looks like you're keeping up. That's really good. Last week, we looked at cells, structures, and functions. That was number 3.5. We had a project. It was plant, animal, and algae cells, 3.6. The plasma membrane, 3.7, project virtual lab osmosis, 3.8, and there was an experiment called osmosis for 3.9. There is some confusion on some things like hypertonic and hypotonic, and that's why I asked you which was which last week. Let me just explain that right now. Hypertonic refers to a greater concentration. It's a solution in where we have a higher concentration of solutes outside the cell than inside the cell. It helps me to think of hyper, like above or greater than. When a cell is immersed in that kind of a solution, the tendency is for water to flow out of the cell in order to balance the concentration of the solutes. Hypotonic refers to a lesser concentration. It's a solution that has a lower concentration of solutes outside the cell than inside the cell. And in an attempt to balance that concentration, water will move into the cell. And you know what happens then? Many of you said that, and it can cause it to burst. Okay, so just remember, hypo, it refers to the concentration of solutes. Hyper is above or greater than. Hypo is less than. Now, do you remember what isotonic is? Isotonic is equal. There won't be any movement of water either way because the concentration of solutes on the outside and on the inside of the cell are the same. So that was your question for last week. Now, for this week coming up, the week of November 13th, we're going to look at, you're going to be taking quiz 2, cell structures, that's number 310, cell regulation, number 311. You have a project, homeostasis, that's 312. And you have a quiz 3, homeostasis, 313. And you have the unit 3 test, 315. If you have any questions or needs on any of that, be sure to let me know. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And I really do want to see you succeed with all of it. Our question for this week, our reflection question is, what is homeostasis? Very important thing. We couldn't live without what is called homeostasis. Okay, so just tell me what that is. Be sure to answer that question so that you get credit for attending this launch. Anyway, have a good day and a good week. And remember, I'm always here if you want to do better in your course, if you're confused about something and want to improve. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye now.